Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over an across the floor combo that uses drawbacks and something that I learned as a double drawback. So we're going to get started here. So sometimes drawbacks can start with a step. That's how I tend to start them, but sometimes they can also start with the pickup. So starting with your foot in front here, you're going to start with that pickup with that spank. So when you do that, that means that you're getting like a half drawback there at the beginning, spank, heel, step. So you're starting with the spank instead of the step. So you're starting with spank, heel, step. Hopefully that makes sense. And it'll make sense as we go forward with this across the floor combo. So we're going to start with our heel in front here. You're going to start spank, heel, step. And you're going to do, let's see, 4 just straight single drawbacks back, starting with that spank on the right, starting counting on that step on the right as 1. So from here, you're going to go spank, heel, and then 4 drawbacks. So spank, heel, 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, this is where you're going to throw in what I learned as a double. You're going to go step and then heel, heel. Front heel is going to drop first. Back heel is going to drop second. So you're going to go step, front, back, and then we're going to throw in what I call a quadruple time step, or not time step, excuse me, a quadruple drawback. I don't know why my brain went to a time step. It's almost like it's 2 of the doubles thrown together. So the double, again, is step, and then front heel, back heel. And then I'm going to go spank, heel, step on the left. And then here's where I'm going to go front, back, front, back. And then that leaves your right foot, front foot, ready again to spank to start the whole combo again on the right foot. So starting from that spank on the top again, we have spank, heel, and then 4 drawbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then step, front, back, heel, spank, heel, step. And then from here, your quadruple, front, back, front, back. Shift that weight on that last heel back onto the back foot so that your toe on the front foot, your right foot, can lift and get ready again for that spank. Okay? So here's what it should sound like a little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, front, back, spank, heel, step, front, back, front, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, back, front, back, front, back. Okay? That was it a little bit faster. Let's try it slower now here. 2 times through, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spank, heel, 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, front, back, spank, heel, step, front, back, front, back. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Front, back, front, back, front, back. Whew, I'm running out of board on this one. All right, so that is starting with the right side. Let's do it even faster, just so that for those of you who are more advanced can get a feel for what that feels like. Okay, I might only have enough board to go back once. Let's give it a try here. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, I was able to make it twice through. All right. Okay. Okay, so now for the left side. So as you can see, this combination does not switch sides. It just continues on the same side. So starting on the left side now, you're going to start with that pickup on the left. I forgot to mention that that starts on and a 1. And a 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So the pickup starts on and a 1. So now on the left, we have spank, heel, 4 drawbacks. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, step, front, back, heel, spank, heel, step, front, back, front, back. And then, sorry, I shouldn't have picked up my foot. When you drop that back heel, your front toe should pop up. Okay, so again, on the left, spank, heel, 4 drawbacks, and then the double drawback and quadruple drawback. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Spank heel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step front, back, spank heel, step front, back, front, back. Okay. Again at that speed, and then we'll go faster. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step front, back, front, back, front, back. Oops, shouldn't have lifted my foot. Sorry about that. All right. Here we go. Faster. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Let's try to get 2 in a row. I'm not sure if I have enough board here. Let's go faster. And 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Nicely done. All right. Hopefully that makes sense. Maybe I'll do it once facing towards you so that you can see what my feet are doing. All right. So right foot. One more time, right foot. Hopefully I have enough board here. Here we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Kind of a fun combo to do. Fun rhythms in there. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or step suggestion, let me know down in the comment section below, and I will try to get to it as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.